Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to enable light mode on Discord. If you've been feeling the need for a brighter interface or just want a change of scenery, I'll guide you through the steps in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your Android device. Whether you're a casual user or a serious gamer, starting here will get us on our way to a more vibrant experience. Next, look for the U icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile, where you can customize your experience even further. Once you're in your profile, it's time to tap the gear icon at the top right. This will bring you into the settings menu, where all the magic happens. Now scroll down until you see the appearance option. Click on that, and you'll find a range of visual settings to play around with. In the appearance menu, tap the theme option. Here's where the fun part begins. You'll see different themes available, and you'll want to select Light at the bottom of the options. And that's it. You've successfully switched to light mode on Discord. No more dark themes, just a bright and cheerful interface that's perfect for daytime use. So enjoy your new look and let your Discord experience shine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.